Good morning, children. I hope you all must have recognized me. I am Ranjita Singh and I will teach you English literature and English language. But since we have started online classes, I will only teach you English language. In your previous class, that is when you were studying in class 2nd, you must have heard about a word noun. What is a noun? You must have heard a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. It is a name of a person. Person means you are the person, I am a person, your brothers and sisters are the persons, your parents are the persons, your neighborhoods are the persons, your doctor, your nurse, postman, all these are persons. So it is a name. So we describe a noun as the name of a person. Now comes place. Place is also a noun. Where do you live? You live in you live in Gorakhpur. That Gorakhpur is a noun. It is a place. It is a noun. Where is your school situated? It is situated in Shahpur. That Shahpur, what is Shahpur? Shahpur is a place. And since it is a place, it is a noun. Now comes animal. You have seen different types of animals around you. You know their names also. All types of animals, what you see around yourselves, all are noun. Suppose I ask you, what is your name? You say me, ma'am, my name is Swati. Swati, that particular word Swati is what? Swati is noun. If I ask you, what is your father's name? You will say, my father's name is Vinod Singh. That Vinod Singh is what? It is a name of a person and it is a noun. You play in park. Park is a place. So, park is noun. You go to temple to worship God. That temple is a place. That temple is a noun. You go to see movie in theater. In cinema hall, you go to see the movie. That cinema hall is a place. It is a noun. If I ask you where your elder sister studies or where she lives, you will reply me, ma'am, she lives in Mumbai. That particular Mumbai is place. So it is noun. Where is Red Fort? Red Fort is in Delhi. This Delhi word is the name of a place and it is a noun. Okay? Whenever you hear the name of any country, any village, any town, all these names are noun. Now comes animal. Animal, you know, if I say the tiger is the national animal, that tiger is noun. Okay? If you have a pet cat, the name of your pet cat is Pluto. Pluto is also noun because it is a name of your cat, and cat is also noun because it is a animal. It is an animal. Okay? I think you all have understood. You see birds also, lizards, snakes, and whatever you see around yourself, whatever animal you see around yourselves, all are noun. All are noun. Now comes the things. If I ask you, children, you are sitting in a room, and what can you see inside a room? What are the things you can see inside a room? Definitely you will say, ma'am, window, door, your pencil box, your pencil, your eraser, your bag, fan. There are several examples you can give me. Whatever examples you are giving me, that particular have a name. That particular have a name. And that is called a noun. Okay? And that is called a noun. I hope you all have understood. Now come, we will discuss some of the meaning, some of the words, some of the sentences. Like if I say, my cousin's name is Leela. My cousin's name is Leela. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what is the meaning of cousin? Your uncles children are your cousin. Have you got it? Your uncle's children are your cousins. Got it, all of you now? My cousin's name is Leela. So your cousin's name is Leela. That this word cousin is a noun because it is a person, and Leela is the name of the person. So Leela is also a noun and cousin is also a noun. Now this New York is the name of a city. New York, since New York is the name of a place, so it is a noun. City is also the name of a place, so city is also a noun. Here New York is also noun and city is also noun. Now comes, my kitten's name is Pluto. What is kitten? You all must be knowing that the baby of a cat is a kitten. So since kitten is the baby of a cat, kitten is also an animal. And kitten is an animal, so it is a noun. Pluto is the name of that particular kitten. Pluto is the name of that particular kitten. So Pluto is also a noun. Now next example, I have a new pencil box. I have a new pencil box. Pencil box is what? Pencil box is a name of a thing in which you keep your pencil, eraser, sharpener, whatever you keep all the things inside a pencil box and you come to school. So this particular pencil box is also a noun. The mango is the national fruit of India. What is mango? It is a name of a thing. It is a name of a something. Something is there which is describing, something is there which tells that it is a mango. This mango is noun. Fruit is also a noun. Fruit is also a noun. So here mango and fruit both are noun. Jupiter is a planet. Jupiter is a planet. In your SST you must have learned that there are 9 planets. So Jupiter is also a planet. So Jupiter is the name of a planet. So it is a noun and planet is also a noun. Now again, in the last, I want to revise once again what is noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. It is a name of a person, It can be the name of any person, any place, any animal, anything. Now I am giving you some homework. You can copy it from your Sacred Heart class 3rd group. You will copy it down, and tomorrow whenever I will have my class, I will give you the answer and you will tally your answer. Then you will come to know that how much you all have learned. Okay children, now have a good day and complete your homework.